Welcome to the PNC Bank Online Banking Guide, where we will walk you through the process of using PNC Bank's mobile and online banking services. This guide is designed to help you navigate the online banking platform and make the most of its features. First, let's start with the basics. To access PNC Bank's online banking, you will need to visit the PNC Bank website and click on the Login button. From there, you will be prompted to enter your username and password. If you are a new user, you can click on the Enroll Now button to create an account. Once you have logged in, you will be taken to the Account Summary page, where you can view all of your accounts, including checking, savings, and credit cards. From this page, you can also transfer funds, pay bills, and view your account history. One of the key features of PNC Bank's online banking is the ability to pay bills online. To do this, simply click on the Pay Bills tab and select the account you want to pay from. You can then enter the payee information and the amount you want to pay, and confirm the transaction. PNC Bank also offers mobile banking, which allows you to access your accounts and conduct transactions on the go. To download the PNC Bank mobile app, simply visit the App Store on your device and search for PNC Bank. Once you have downloaded the app, you can log in using your username and password. The PNC Bank mobile app allows you to deposit checks, transfer funds, and pay bills, all from the convenience of your mobile device. You can also use the app to locate PNC Bank branches and ATMs, and to contact customer service. In addition to these features, PNC Bank's online banking platform also offers a range of tools and resources to help you manage your finances. These include budgeting tools, financial calculators, and educational resources. To get the most out of PNC Bank's online banking, it's a good idea to set up account alerts, which will notify you when certain transactions occur on your account. You can also set up transfer alerts, which will notify you when a transfer is made from one account to another. Finally, it's important to remember to always keep your online banking information secure. This includes using a strong password, keeping your computer and mobile device up to date with the latest security software, and being cautious when using public computers or public Wi-Fi. By following these steps and using the features and tools available through PNC Bank's online banking, you can take control of your finances and make the most of your banking experience.